What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you one of the world's leading online trading organization. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of OTC Europa. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, just like what I mentioned earlier, guys, they are one of the world's leading online trading organization, and this company provides both novice and experienced trader with quick access to diverse range of trading instruments. Now, with over a decade of experience, they have become a market leader in the online trading industry, and the company is actually committed to delivering top-notch security, technology, and trading techniques to its vast trader base around the world. Now, innovation is at the core of their growth strategy, and they embrace new trading technologies rigorously tested in-house labs. Now, their advanced software helps automate and streamline the trading process, enhancing investment opportunities. And guys, I'm going to show you a couple of articles from the leading crypto websites, and they are actually talking about OTC Europa. I would strongly suggest, guys, that you include this in your own research. So as it says, OTCEuropa.com implements faster crypto transaction technology, and they have a lot of information here. The enhanced transaction speeds, the impact on the users. You have the OTCEuropa.com review, simplified user experience, because again, guys, you want technology, but you don't want that to complicate the things that you do in terms of your trades. You want them to be on your side, helping you out, simplify, and making more profit out of your trade. So you have review insights as well, and you have conclusion. And another one is this, guys. This is from European Business Review. Okay, OTCEuropa.com improves client support with real-time signals. All right, there's a ton of information about that, which also includes the company details. And another one is the European Financial Review, which actually says that OTCEuropa.com introduces new security measures. Because again, guys, you want technology, yes. You want simplicity, yes, but you also want to make sure that the platform is secure because you have your assets in there as well. All right, so this is the exciting part, guys. Let me show you the actual platform. All right, this is OTC Europa, and on the left side, you have different types of trading available. You have currencies, so when you click on that, it will show you the available pairs. You have the stocks, all right? You have the commodities, you have the indices, you have crypto, you have ETF, cannabis, TV, news. So these are like the articles, like the headlines that are trending in the world of crypto. So you have also the trading tools that you need, of course. You want to make sure that you'll be able to utilize those in your trades, and make sure, guys, that you know what you're doing, you know what you're getting yourself into. That way you can get more wins than the losses that you will get. All right, so guys, you also have more information here. You have account types, payment methods, you have glossary and trading news, the company. You have About Us, which also talks more about who OTC Europa is. Okay, you have their support information, and this is the platform, the one that I showed you. You have the legal terms, okay, terms and conditions, privacy policy, KYC policy, AML policy, and whatever policy they want you guys to know. Because again, what you want is transparency with whatever trading platform you're gonna get yourself into, okay? So those information will be in the description. All of the links to those will be in the description of the video. Alright, so in summary, guys, we have discussed who OTC Europa is, what the other websites and articles are talking about them, and I've shown you the actual platform. Make sure, guys, to go ahead and check them out. This is one of the leading online trading platforms in the world, so go ahead and check them out. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.